Well, because you know, I can use one like upstairs. Bring it up and that stuff.
There's a lot of places where you can't reach stuff.
My sewing room, I can use one of my sewing room, get it in the cabinet.
Now if you got two of them, you can misplace.
I have to say I'm most excited.
Those are cute.
What about his puppy sandwich? So everything.
By the time he fits into the Charlie Brown shirt, he might have hair by then.
It's good. A lot of the stuff that he got will fit him right. He's got a lot of clothes that fit him right this minute, but
That's why I got him bigger.
it's good to get him bigger because there's a lot of those things are for people probably didn't know he's 9 months old right now.
That's why I saw all that stuff was on sale. I was like, oh, just get it so that way if the second he's cute.